So, what and who are Divoom? Divoom is a company who produce mainly Bluetooth speakers and pixel display. They have been around for a while. You can check out their website. They have many products. I don't get paid by them. I just love their product. I got this in 2016 around Christmas time. It's a Bluetooth speaker and pixel display on the other side. I really love it because I have left this for months without touching it, and the battery is still good. I can turn it on anytime again without recharging it. This is another Bluetooth speaker from Divoom. It's an outdoor one. It's very heavy and can be used as a power bank as well. Again, I don't get paid by them. Just check out their website. I really like their products. First thing first, we have to get familiar with the Divoom app. You can download it from the Google Play Store. I already installed it. So let's launch it. You can browse the pixel art without logging in, but I think you need the account to be able to save it locally. So this is normally you see the screen, and just in case you are not on this screen, you can select other device here. Make sure you are not selecting the old time box, which I have. This one, you will see the graphic is very low resolution. It's just 11 times 11 pixels. That's not the only problem. The other problem is you can't even save it on your local drive. You can save it, but I have no idea where it is saved to. So in case you are landed on this side, you can click on the plus sign on the top here and select other device. For the demonstration, I'm going to select the Timebox Evo here. Then you will see different type of pixel art. Some of them are very high resolution. By default, you can see on the top menu here, all are selected. For my demonstration, because I don't have so many LEDs, I am going to deselect these two and leave the 16 here. And you can also see on the top here, the top menu, they are sorted by category. For the demonstration, I'm going to select pattern. Let's pick something for the demonstration. What about this one? You just tap on the graphic and hold a little bit, then there will be a pop-up menu, and you can pick the Save to Phone here and click on Apply. Now go back. Let's select another one. And now I've got 3 graphics saved somewhere. Let's check it. Where did it save to? Go to my files and internal storage. You can find the clip art under DCIM and Divoom here. So you can see the 3 clip arts we just saved. They are in GIF format. Okay, now this is the part for the Divoom app. Let's go to the gifRunner app. First of all, you have to go to your Twinkly app and go to settings here. Then you have to write down this number. We will need this later. And also do the mapping, because the gifRunner app doesn't do the mapping. So to download the app gifRunner, you have to go to the browser and enter a shortcut I have already defined, GR10. Then you will see a warning here. At the same time, I have to give you a warning as well. This program is written for myself only, and I thought I can share it with everyone, but I can't guarantee what might happen on your device or your life. I'm running it now on my Android 11. I have tested it on Android 8. It didn't work. I will provide the source code. You can have a look in that, and I hope you can have fun. So let's download it anyway. Now open it. If your device is not set up for install unknown app, there will be a warning. So you have to allow installing unknown app. Now do not open it. We still need to set up some permission. To set up the permission, you have to go to settings and search for app. Now search for GIF. Tap on that one, go to permission and tap on files and media. Now select allow management of all files. Okay, it's done. I've already turned on my Twinkly light. Let's start it. For the first time you start it, you will see a message here. Say please enter your IP in this file. And you will see some arrow message here on the status panel. This is the information panel here on the top, and this is a preview panel, and this is the status. Okay, let's have a look at this file. You need to use a text editor to edit the settings file. I'm using the quick edit. Let's open the file. Internal storage. The file is under Big Boss 97 here, and you can see gifRunner, and here's the settings.txt. Okay, now we have to set the IP address, which you have already written down. Then just confirm this Divoom directory. We saw it before, all the GIF files were written to this directory. And here's the preview area. Because my panel is rectangle, so it's not a square, so I put a 2 here, the width, and the height is 1. So delay is not in use for the moment. So let's save it. Okay, now let's start the app gifRunner. It's working. So you can see down here, this is a status panel. It's saying LED is connected. And this is the information panel showing some of the information of my LED light. And now if you click on this drop down list, you will see that those 3 clip arts we have already downloaded. Let's try out the first one. And you can see this is my preview when I defined it 2 times 1, so it's the rectangle. If your one is the square one, then just make it square. And here you will see the name of the clip art and how many frames are in the clip art and the delay between the frames. Okay, let's send it to Twinkly Lights. Yes, it's working. Now let's have a look at the next one. And send again. It's working. This one is very nice, I think. Send it. Okay, all working. There's one more thing I want to show you. Let's say after you have opened the gifRunner, you have already downloaded 3 of the pixel art. Now you want to download more. You can go to the Divoom app again and download it from here. Save the phone. Now if you go back to the gifRunner app and click on the drop down list, you still have 3 pixel art. The new one is not there, so don't worry, you don't need to restart the gifRunner to refresh the list. Just tap on the select a GIF file here Now it's saying list reloaded 4 items found. Then you can see it here. Let's send the new one over. Nice color red here. Send. Okay, it's working. I hope this video can help you to install and set up the app. If you have any question, feel free to post in the comment section. I will try to answer you. And again, I have to warn you, you are using it at your own risk. And I wish you have fun with the app. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.